When I saw this video, I'm gonna put it somewhere up here. I got to thinking. Not only this young lady, she's the one that with the Lyft driver, and I was to do a video about that, what I didn't. But my thoughts on that basically is that I don't care of her wanting to sue Lyft, because Lyft is a organization that literally has money for those type of things, suing and all type of those things, payouts. Those are listed as expenses. Probably even write it off. So that's not. I'm not concerned for Lyft. I was mainly concerned for the fact that the gentleman, the Lyft driver, lost his means of income. But I'm not gonna go deep into that. That's something that have been covered by everybody else. What I want to discuss though is it that society has a disdain for overly obese individuals? Is it something that is ingrained in us from similar to fight or flight? And another reason as to why I'm thinking about this, recently in Jamaica, I saw this overly obese creator. I think her name is Rosalie. Police officers went into her apartment or house, whatever it is, and videoed her naked, and allegedly they released it onto the internet. That's just messed up in all way, shape, and form. But again, she's an overly obese person, so a lot of persons seem to not care or think she deserves it because of whatever she said in the past, or whatever more other foolishness that they think have happened. But I believe as a society we have fear, hatred, or hatred may be a strong word, repulsion towards overly obese persons, because just like again the fight or flight response, where somewhere back in our long ancestors in caveman days, one of the two cavemen were walking. They heard some rustling in the bushes. One ran, one stayed. Only one lived to tell the tale. Maybe you can figure that one out. So my little brain is thinking: is it that the same concept goes for an overly obese person and a fit person? Were two cavemen walking, they heard some rustling, and out came a saber-tooth tiger, and the more fit one ran, survived, and the obese one didn't make it. You know what I mean? Is that the reason as to why we subconsciously don't like overly obese persons? I think is a interesting some topic to think about. So let me know what are your thoughts on it, and again, I'm just sharing my thoughts. J, my face.